Susan Mutami is not going to stop any soon. After the 6-hour-long program, she went to tweet what she claimed to have forgotten, and she said, "Citizens, I had forgotten to tell you that in 2010 Mnangagwa got circumcised at Manyame Airbase, and he once ordered me to have a feel of his penis in his office at Defense House when I had gone to him. I was so uncomfortable and didn't have an option. Akati very soon. Ichamuka haisati yanyatsopora. Kwasara 2 weeks kuti ndikunyenge." In the comment section, please tell us your views and thoughts.
Siri mbavha idzikoni kuti nezeki inga vanhu vakanga vatovhota wana vachida Chamisa tungamire kusvitsa nyika pari nani koni kuti nezeki karamba nazvino vanongoshedzera vanzi Chamisa tungamira asi zeki yacho inoramba unonzwa voti nga